Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and I'm very fortunate. We're having a power outage here in the great state of Florida. They've shut down the power with a coming hurricane for safety reasons, but that doesn't mean I can't still get my work done. That doesn't mean I can't still watch TV, and that doesn't mean I can't have my lights for filming a video. That's because we have a super safe Life BMS power station that I absolutely love that can and will be recharged with solar power that I can use to jumpstart my car, that has 4 USB-A's, dual USB-C's, DC input, and a whole lot more. Now, this is backed by pure sine wave technology, and it can take over 3,000 charges. Yeah, that means you can use this for probably 10 plus years without any issues at all. And it's backed by one of the greatest companies on the planet. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. And we're going to kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. So folks, I got to tell you, I love this brand and it has everything I need. The USB-Cs, the USB-As, and yeah, this is really impressive with the quick charge capabilities. Now we've got 3 pure sine wave outlets, and on the back we have an LED light that does a variety of brightness as well as strobe and SOS for emergency situations. We can use it as a jump starter on our vehicle. We've got the battery capability, and this thing will charge with solar power. You can plug it into the wall, and you can even charge it with your car, and it comes with all the accessories, and we'll show you that in the up close portion of the video. Now, I absolutely love the fact that it gives you this big LED screen, and it's backed by a great company. We currently have 82% capacity, 18 hours running all of our electronics, and it is currently using 82 watts, USB-C, USB, and AC. That's alternating current, running a lot of our accessories. Now this is a big enough battery that we can run things like our refrigerator for when the power is out. We can run things like an air conditioning unit. We can run things like our hot tub and spa to make sure it cycles through accordingly. We can even use a pressure washer out on the lanai. All right, folks, so now that you've got an opportunity to see the front of it, let's go ahead and test it out some more. All right, folks, so one of the things I like so much about this is it's able to power my entire refrigerator. So even though the power is out, we're able to keep our meats cool, we're able to keep our sodas cool, and keep our food from spoiling. That's really cool. And yeah, they've just done a great job with an impressive device that works even in peak performance. They've just done a great job here. I'm very happy with the fact that I'm keeping all of my refrigerated items safe and convenient. And of course, my outdoor TV is no match for this as well. It's currently pulling about 200 watts to where this is really cool. I can have an outdoor TV experience even if there's no outlet out here, and I can get hours and hours of performance. This is perfect for the Super Bowl and other big events, so I can have a good time. I also have my pressure washer right here, so I can go ahead and I can run out to the dock, I can run out to the lanai, I can get my pressure washing done even if there's not an outlet in the area. I can make sure I'm getting all the performance I need. This thing is fantastic. But really, my favorite part is those solar panels. Let's cover those next because we can recharge it with the power of the sun. So I know what you're thinking. Adam, are the solar panels worth it? And what happens when the power is out for too long and you don't have access to any more power? You're not running your TV, you're not backing up your computer, you're not backing up your fridge. That's where this comes in handy. You gotta get the solar panels. These guys are pulling in so much power that you're gonna be able to run your systems non-stop. They've really come a long way with the solar panels. Compared to 5 or 10 years ago, the solar panels weren't bringing in much energy, particularly in shady conditions. Now, they're bringing in the sun, they're bringing in the power, and they're recharging this fast and efficiently. All you have to do is plug it in and it does the work for you. It would be ridiculous for you not to do this. Think about this. If you've got access to any amount of sun, you can charge your phone, you can charge your laptop, you can do all that without having to pay those big power companies who are unreliable in storms. They've just done a great job here. And this is fast to recharge. It's a perfect scenario for anyone. Imagine you're a camper. Use the sun, recharge by day, run that air conditioning at night. Imagine you've got your RV, run that TV at night, solar panels by day. Or, you know, if you're just like me, you want to charge your phone, you want to charge your laptop, these solar panels are doing the work for you. It couldn't be easier and more convenient. And folks, let's not forget that this can be used to jumpstart your vehicle. So you never have to worry about your vehicle being down. You've got all the power you need. Even if that battery drains like on our Jeep here, that we maybe don't run nearly as much as we should, we're able to get that jump start quickly and efficiently. These guys have thought of everything. And with their backing, with their support and their technology, they practically have a 0 defect rate. This is the best thing ever. If you don't get the solar panels, you don't get the 1800, I don't know what you're thinking. So folks, you know I don't say this very often, but this is a brand I truly love and I truly support. They're making high quality products. Again, practically a 0 defect rate. I think you should go pick this up. There's no doubt in my mind that this is a brand that has your back, that supports you, and has all those resources that you need. Overcharge protection, 10 different protections, the power to back up practically anything in your house, and it's not going to break the bank. So, my question to you is, why haven't you done it yet? It's time to go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. They get our full support and admiration. Thank you so much for joining us. These guys are absolutely fantastic. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video. We're going to give you everything you need with all the details and the product up close and personal. Thanks for watching. Adios amigos. All right friends, now it's time for our up close portion of the video. We have this right here. It's a super safe Life BMS power station, 1548 watt hours, 1800 watts, and boy, they have power packed this where it is really impressive. Simultaneously supporting up to 12 devices. Yeah, they've done a great job here. Long lasting battery, over 3100 cycles, and 6 times longer than traditional batteries. Now during our up close portion of the video, this gives you an opportunity to go ahead and put it in your cart. And yeah, you have flexible charging solutions, including wall outlet, solar panel, or car charger. And yeah, look how cool this is. You've got the 3 outlets with ground, with pure sine wave. Now pure sine wave means that it's going to work perfect for even your mechanical devices. It's the safest way to do it. Don't buy a device unless it's pure sine wave, of course. You've got your USB-C outlets ×2, all of your quick charge USB-A, and everything in between. They've just done a great job here. Okay, you could even jumpstart your car. You can do your solar panels. And yeah, this thing is great because it's got overcharge protection and everything in between. Now, their website, they've just done a great job giving you all the protections and the backing that you need from a great brand. 12 ports, 1800 watt output, and 220 watt solar panels, meaning that you can go ahead and you can charge quickly and efficiently with the power of the sun. 1548 watt hours means that you can get a lot of power out of this. That means you can back up your refrigerator. That means you can run your devices in your RV. And yeah, this expands to the capacity of over 3096 watt hours, has 1800 watt AC output and 3600 watt max. So even in those max situations, you're good to go. I love the fact they've included a very powerful handle. It's Life BMS safety guaranteed with 10 protections, and a 10-year lifespan, and a 2-year warranty. So they've got everything covered. 220 watt max for the wall input and solar input. And I love the fact that these solar panels go ahead and they're easy to carry, and they come with everything you need to just plug them in. You can use them with a smart car to charge or to start your car in just a matter of seconds, and temperature resistant. -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is the capacity that you need, and they've even included some very cute little stickers. Put them anywhere. They've even included all the cabling that you need to charge this anytime, any place, anywhere, anyhow. So you have all the charging cables that you need for fast charging. And yeah, I love the fact that this is good for literally thousands of recharges. And folks, again, this is a great time to go ahead and pick this up, put it in your cart. You can stay powered during outages, power your outdoor experience with your RV, your camper. If there's a hurricane, you're covered. And yeah, look at this. They've even done a great job with making a impressive Life BMS boxing. Yeah. Prepared for any situation is what you'll be. It's easy to carry. And let me back up here just to show you. They've built in the handle that is sturdy. A lot of these, I gotta say, they skimp on the handles to where they're not easy to carry, or they can't, handles potentially break. Simple control panel. Straightforward and easy to use. And yeah, they've just got you covered from top to bottom, stem to stern. Beautiful LED. Shows the watts in and watts out. Built-in LED to illuminate in the dark perfect for outdoor conditions. That Life BMS comprehensive battery protection. 10 layers of advanced safety protection for overcharge, overprotection, everything you need. And that Life PO4 means it's long-lasting, 10 years, 3,000 plus cycles, ultimate in stability and environmental friendliness. Yeah. So you've got all the cabling you need. You've got the very cool, I like this bear right here. That bear right there is one of my favorites. The decals are so cute. You get the membership, the secure payments, the customer service, the fast shipping, and a design that can't be beat. So folks, if you're looking for something premium, extremely convenient, easy to use, the Jump 1800 is the way to be. You know I love it, and you're gonna love it as well. Last but not least, I gotta tell you, this company has been in business for a long period of time making high quality products that are built to last, built for your entire family, built for your outdoor activities, and built for you. Folks, I couldn't, shouldn't, and wouldn't recommend this enough. If you're looking for a high quality, quiet, durable, reliable device, your DC input, your 12 volt 10 amp, your quick charge USB-A, your USB-C, all of your outlets, your jumper and your battery information all right there. Cooling, stylish, and the LED battery right in the back with a variety of settings to keep you safe and secure, including strobe and SOS. Well, guess what, folks? This is the device you need for all of your outdoor activities and your emergency activities. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you, but it's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Get to shopping with the most powerful and reliable brand on the planet. These guys have you covered. Thank you for watching us. Put it in your car. I love you and you love me, so go get one. Goodbye, my friends. Go get one.